Okay guys, welcome back to Blender Tutorials. So today we're going to be building a ladder. So, pretty simple project. All we're going to do, take the default cube, we're going to go ahead and just shrink this in. Press S to scale, and then S on the other side as well. The aim is to kind of get this kind of elongated square kind of look. So we're going to go ahead, scale outwards. Make it into a nice little long piece. So we'll go to edit mode, take your top piece right here, so top face, and your bottom face as well. We're going to go E-fret extrude, leave it where it is. We're going to go S to scale. I'm just going to bring this in, just at the side here. S to scale as well. Bring this in just at the side here, so we've got this nice little bit. So at this point, what we want to do is we want to go S for scale, and you just want to scale outwards. So in the end, you'll end up with this nice little curve at the end. So we're going to go to object mode, shade this smooth. We will then go with Shift D, bring this across onto the other side. Going to go ahead and add a cylinder. So at this point you want to shrink this down a little bit, elongate it, rotate this 90 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and just scale it outwards just ever so slightly, and then we're just going to rotate it just inwards ever so slightly as well, just to give it that little bit of curve. Shade smooth, scale it down so that it's roughly the same size as this little spoke right here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to scale it outwards to a point where both sides meet, just as such. So once we've got to this part right here, what we're going to do is I'm going to change the colour on this one so we don't have to do them all later on. And we'll just go with, say, like a black or something like that, just a nice little grey. Just on there, and I'm going to go Shift D, bring it up. Now if you press 1, that is it's a little bit too shallow for a ladder, so maybe we could go with 10, but then that's too much. So what I'm going to do is press G, Shift D to duplicate it. We'll press 5, bit too much, maybe we could try 4. Actually, let's go with 2. 2 looks pretty promising. Shift D, we'll go 2. Shift D, press 2. And so for the ones going down on this side, we're going to press this one again. Shift D, and you want to go -2. Shift D, -2. Shift D again, and you're going to go -2. So now you've kind of got this ladder going on. You can also put another one on top here actually, Shift D, and then we can go 2. It is outside of the barriers right here, so we can select these 2 on either side, and we can go scale, and we can just bring that up just ever so slightly and press G, and bring that up as well. So that is a basic ladder within Blender. If you guys enjoyed the tutorial, please like, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.